Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Blink Sync module step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Blink Sync module from the box. Locate the sync module and the power adapter included in the package. Find a suitable location for your sync module, ideally near a power outlet. Plug the power adapter into the sync module. Connect the other end of the adapter to a power source. Wait for the LED light on the sync module to start blinking. Download the Blink app from your device's app store. Open the Blink app and create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, tap on the Add Device option in the app. Select Sync Module from the list of devices. Follow the prompts to ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is enabled. The app will ask you to scan for the sync module. When detected, choose your sync module from the list. Next, the app will prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials as prompted. Ensure you select a 2.4 GHz band if your network has dual band capabilities. Confirm the connection details, and then tap Connect. Wait for the app to establish a connection with the sync module. Once connected, the LED on the sync module should stop blinking and remain solid. You will see a confirmation message in the app indicating a successful setup. Now you can start adding Blink cameras to your system. Go back to that Add Device section in the app to start adding cameras. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the camera setup. Your Blink Sync module is now ready for use with your cameras. You can manage settings and view notifications directly through the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.